Hi there, my name's Craig and I'm a research manager at Google. Thinking a little bit about my career path into UX, it was definitely not straightforward. I left university not sure what I wanted to do, not sure what UX was, bearing in mind this was 20 years ago when UX was really getting going. So my first job, I swept the floors in a gym. That was my first job. But I knew that I was interested in technology, and I knew I had this research qualification, but I wasn't really sure what I needed to do or where I needed to go with that. Eventually, I managed to get a job in market research. So market research was really buoyant at the time, plenty of jobs in market research. So I spent a couple of years working for a couple of different organizations, but it always seemed slightly removed from actually building products and actually using technology. A friend of mine made me aware that there was a junior position as a UX researcher in an online gaming company back in the UK. And I managed to get an interview. And I think that person, possibly feeling slightly sorry for me, decided that they were going to give me a go and give me a job. And since then, I haven't really looked back, but it did take somebody to believe in me that I had the skills necessary to be a great UXR to give me that opportunity. In terms of some of the things that really excite me about the job and the role, I like spending time on new stuff. It's really amazing that within technology, you get a chance to just explore and play with stuff that maybe doesn't even exist yet. And you're trying to think about how you can combine research and insights into that product development process. And you'll work with tons and plenty of other people on that. That's the bit that I still get excited about. It's still the thing that, on a Monday morning where maybe the weather isn't great and you've got to get up early and you've had a great weekend, I'm just as excited about getting in and doing that kind of stuff because that's what made me get into this business in the first place.